cookies. So today I'll be doing my squishy collection, my homemade and my real ones. So sorry for the background noise, my aircon and my sister. But I have a list of like the ones I'll do first, second and stuff. I have 7 in total. So yeah, let's get started. So the first ones are the traded squishies, and this is all traded from Doggy Lover. This is a like call this baguette or something, and it's not painted at the back, but it's really soft and a bit rough here. Next one is this. This is famous, and all the squishies that I traded for is kind of yellowish pink. I think it's only sweet cafe, and she just put only sweet cafe. Then this is the packaging. It's again not painted at the back. That's really bad. But I like getting squishies fully painted. But I don't know, maybe she got lazy or something, or she hadn't had paint, or she was too tired. So yeah, and this is very thin donut, and yeah, but I can't really edit my videos anymore, so yeah, it's like really not slow writing though. And by the way, it's made by iBloom, the real one. It's only sweet cafe iBloom donut. Not yet. It's also not painted at the back. I don't know why. Sorry for my nails, guys. They're really disgusting. And then I have a mini one, and it's painted at the back. 3 of them is not painted at the back, and others are painted. Next are my fail squishies. So the first 2, I have 4 of these, but I'm just gonna show you 2 because one of it is traded and one is lost. So this is a pink donut, and I am so mad. When I see this squishy, I am so mad at my cousin because she squished it and it was wet, and look what happened. Like it's deformed. Even this one, she just smiled. I told her not to touch my squishy when they're drying, and she just smiled. Sorry, it's not enough, girl. I had hard time making this. So yeah, they're not even squishy because they're like too flat. Then this is supposed to be a cake, but when it finished drying and I squished it, it was finished drying and I squished it, then it stayed in this form. So I don't know why. Next are the blank squishies. So first thing is this loaf one, and my classmate shaded with this. I didn't color it yet, but you know, this is a piece of bread, then a mini peach, and then next thing is what my cousin made. She made a Pac-Man one, but like the other cousins are like different. The one the squishy is different, and the one who made the squishy is different too. And I think she's coming today, so I might do a vlog. So yeah, really nice. And then the next one is the spoof squishies that I made, like a spoof video, but I accidentally deleted that video. So yeah. So this one my cousin also made a bread dough donut, and all of these are ugly because it's a spoof, so we need to make it ugly squishies. you know, this bread dough donut, it's the yellow design. Then the Cutie Creative, yeah, I think it's Cutie Creative who made it. Cutie Creative Heart Donut, and it's in color blue. Then a Fat Cat Crackling Squishy. I know they're very ugly and it doesn't even crack. So this is for a spoof video, but I accidentally deleted the video. So yeah. Then a Only Sweets Cafe donut, I Bloom donut. Then this for a spoof video again. So 4 of these are spoof videos, and my cousin made these. So yeah. Next one are the normal homemade squishies, like the nice squishies. And then this one is a, sorry if I keep on saying and then, if I said always and then, because I don't know. I have this boy mouse loaf, as you can see. Sorry for the bad lighting, but it says boy right there. It's a mouse loaf, and this is my idea. So yeah, please give me credit if you're gonna do this. It's a boy kind, and my nails are so bad because, like, you know, I went swimming or like take a bath and stuff and took off and stuff. So yeah, that one is a boy kind. Then I will have the girl kind. So this is the girl. It has a winky face, then the boy just has like a sad face, then this girl's like winky, then happy face. These are soft but not slow rising. Then these ones, but this is a Ketchup Gary's squishy inspired from, and all my squishies have like this flower at the back if it's homemade, because this is my licensing now. And this is a tomato squishy. It's inspired by the Ketchup Cutie squishy. Here you go. And then I have this eclair squeeze toy, and then this one is a chicken head thing. Then you squeeze the slime out, but the slime got really hard. Like, I can't even squeeze some slime out. So yeah, we also have the the flower, and then this is a alien squishies, and like this is like the biggest packaging for my squishies, or longest. And then here it is. I'm sorry if I keep on singing them. I can't stop. Then this like their drawing illustration, and then my gosh, please stop singing then. Okay, I'll stop. I'll try. This is the like name. Then it's sad, neutral to. I'm doing that the wrong way. Sad, neutral to happy, and I did that the wrong way. I was like sad, even though it's happy. Okay, then they're just soft but not slow rising. So yeah. Then the last ones are the real ones. Then we have this peach squishy, and you already saw the packaging, but you didn't see it properly because the video was upside down. So this is like the packaging, and this is the peach. Then like inside this is some bookmarks and like a little paper squishy. Then this is the real squishy. So let's take it out of the packaging, and this is really defected, and I fixed a little bit of the crack, but it still like came off and stuff. I used rugby, and it's really defected, and I didn't know there was like a big crack in here. I just thought it was like a little crack like this big, but apparently it was not. And also the leaf, I didn't know that like this big of defects. And what is that? It's a bald spot. Yes, I keep on squishing this part. It's really fun to squish that part. Then just the skin fell off and stuff. So yeah. So if you really wanted to watch that second squishy package, I also have another package coming, but it's not related to squishies, but it's related to slime. And then oh my gosh, I keep on saying that. I have this Murphy bear, and it's just inside my eclair packaging because I lost the packaging for it. And this one is so defected because like the nose and the eyes are lost. Sorry guys, my sister. It's just like stress ball feeling, you know. Then I have my jumbo Hello Kitty. So it's hard to squish it because there's so much air inside this bag. So I'm just gonna like. There we go. Let's make it look really squishy because of the bag. Like, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. So this is so defected. That's how squishy it is. Then this is how squishy it thinks it is. Fix that sound. And then, oh my gosh, I almost said it again. But oh my gosh, it is so defected at the head part. Like just a little piece, just holding it in place. And really defected at those parts, then like that part, those parts, you know. At the bottom, the side has cracks all over it. And this is the tag. This is my first ever or only squishy that has a tag. Only Hello Kitty Sweets Cafe. I almost said only, but it has a dust plug and a ball chain, and that's the only squishy I have that has a tag, a ball chain, and like this phone protector thing. And my most defective squishy ever. But I love the smell. Like this compared to this is the slow rising, and I love the smell. So they're equally loved by me. And this got lost for like months, and yeah, I wasn't able to find it. Then my cousin found it like near my butt, like in the bed. I was like laying down. She saw it like just laying there. I don't know why. We're gonna give her that information so that they will know.
No one.
Go
to.
So yeah guys, that's all for the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Sorry if this video is so long, but like this video if you saw like a part of my sister. You know, cause last video, like cutting up a squishy, you saw my sister's foot. Like if you saw my sister again, another body part of my sister. So like that right now. If you saw my sister, like arm or a foot or a head or something. So yeah, I give you a hint, you know. So yeah guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.